Assalamualaikum, Bismillah. It's me, I'm back with another video. I guess I want to talk about weather and nature today because we're living in a dark time and we have to be really mindful about what we wear, how we wear it, when we wear it, so whether it's something else. It's amazing how many of our people that don't watch the weather. Watching the weather can save your life in an instant because you're more prepared for whatever Mother Nature hurls at us. In our way of life, we're taught to watch the weather for a reason. As this old evil world is going out, a new world is coming in. This snowing in California, like there's a song called It Never Rains in California, something like that. That's a lie. It's snowing. In parts of the country, there's like earthquakes and, well, the world, not country. There's like earthquakes and floods and mudslides and all that stuff. And the pollen is terrible right now. Wherever you are, if you're like down south, it's terrible. It's all over everything. And just be mindful. Watch the weather. You never know what Mother Nature is gonna do, especially when you live down south. The weather bipolar. You literally become your own meteorologist. I'm serious. I wasn't playing. So I guess I wanted to also talk about nature and the universe. So I like going outside to get channel more positive energy in my energy field, and that it's real. It's a real thing. We all carry our own little energy. You just gotta make sure that you're surrounded by people who have positive energy. You don't run into people who have negative energy, but you have to do things to harness that good energy back into yourself. You know what I mean? And feed off good things. And when you walk outside, sometimes when you're sleepy, being outside could give you a little energy boost. You sleepy inside, you wake up out here. Literally. And it just feels good to just spend some time outside earthing. Getting more grounded in Mother Nature, learning things. Alright. I'm finished. Assalamualaikum. I hope y'all have a good peaceful evening. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We out.